Hi, I'm Alice from Fine & Country and welcome to Little Trenewth, just outside Michaelstowe near St Tudie. It's a fantastic 4-bedroom barn conversion with about 1.75 acres of grounds and a very large workshop. There's plenty of potential here, so if interested, please give us a call on 01208 76800. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please give us a call.